Assalamualleikom, it's your sister Zainab. Welcome back to another video. Hope everyone is well. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this delicious layered paratha. It's so yummy. So it's all in one, this paratha. Actually, there's eggs in here, there's spring onions in here. It's so delicious. So before we start with the recipe, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on that notification bell, so when your sister upload a new video, you're gonna get notification. All right, so let's get straight into the video. Okay, I'm not going to be showing you guys the ingredients first. I'm going to be showing you as I'm mixing. Okay, so here I have my 4 eggs already in the bowl. As you can see, I'm going to beat the eggs first just for a minute, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add like half cup of water, depending of how much flour you're gonna be adding here. So I'm adding like half cup now, and if I need later I will take it also. And then here is some salt. I'm going to beat again just to mix everything well. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add my 3 cups of plain flour. Okay, now I'm gonna go straight with my hands and mix everything until the flour comes together. Okay guys, as you can see, my flour still need more water. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more water. You just have to be careful, do not make too soft dough. Okay, have to be in between, not too soft, not too stiff. I'm gonna continue mixing until the flour comes together, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add my spring onion. You just have to cut in small pieces spring onion. When you cut spring onion, make it cut really small pieces. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to be adding that and continue kneading my dough. And then I'm going to add some olive oil. You can add butter if you have butter. If you have any oil, any vegetable oil, you can add in there. And then you continue kneading your dough, and I'm going to flip it over and put some more oil in other side as well. Okay, I'm done with my dough. Now I'm going to cover with a clean towel, and then I'm going to leave it to rest for about 10 minutes. It's after 10 minutes now. I'm going to just mix it for a minute just to knead to make it even more smooth. And then I'm going to just brush some butter on the surface so my dough don't stick. And then I'm going to go ahead and make it round balls. I don't know how to say it. Okay, now I have my 6 balls. They have to be medium, not too big. Also have to be medium. And then now it's time to roll. I'm dipping in the dry flour so don't stick in the working surface. As you guys can see, you just have to dust the excess flour. Okay, after flattening the dough, I'm gonna go ahead and rub some butter. You can use vegetable oil if you don't have butter. It will still work the same. Okay, after applying oil or butter, we're gonna go ahead and sprinkle some dry flour. Okay, now I'm going to just stretch the dough and make sure I seal nicely the butter which I add, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just roll it up and set aside. Okay, this is how it looks like. I've done rolling the dough up. Now I'm going to flatten again for the last time. So I'm going to need flour. I'm going to dip the dough in both sides and dust the excess flour and roll it up. I mean flattening just the size of the pan you're gonna be using to cook your paratha. Okay. Okay, to cook our paratha, we're going to brush some oil or butter in the pan which is already hot, and then place the paratha, cook for a few seconds and flip it over and brush some butter again. I'm using butter. If you're using oil, you can brush some oil and then flip it over. Just turn it like this and cook until it's light golden in both sides. Okay guys, my paratha is done. As you can see, it's nice and golden. And now I'm going to place in the plate and finish the rest. You have to make sure you put the dish towel and clean dish towel or tissue paper like I did there to make sure it stays warm, and make sure also you covered on top when you finish cooking. Okay, so I'm going to just finish the rest of the paratha. Okay guys, I have done with my paratha. Look how beautiful it looks. It's so clean and the smell is so amazing. I prefer to eat with a plain yogurt. You can just have with your cup of coffee, cup of tea. Also, you don't need eggs because eggs is already in there. You just have to enjoy your breakfast. You can eat for lunch also. For lunchbox, it's just so perfect. It's not so much oil. As you can see, it's nice and dry. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a nice thumbs up and also share with others. Comment down below what you guys think about this yummy recipe.